Okay, now quickly, we don't enter the more serious issues on top of our Ginger Monday things. I don't understand how they do. Before now, don't talk about some issues about goals and everything. That smart one we talked last time. Too many people enjoy that whole thing.
Okay, yeah.
They enjoy the whole thing because we can't even do and repeat self. See me then see again.
They see them again.
You understand? And they really enjoy them. And at the same time, last week we talked about some other things where you need to do as they work out your dreams. You understand? How you need to change your mindset, change this one, change that one. You know, some kind of things where you need to change just to make sure you can't put yourself for position
where you go
to go that side. All right. So today now, we don't carry the matter go on that level. Because somehow, most people don't really know, say, everybody, one way or the other, supposed to be leader in their own way. You understand? But today, we'll talk about leadership. Who be leader? Who supposed to be leader? What in leadership go carry you do? What it go help you do? Right. What be those things that way you go need to put for ground, you know, put aside just to make sure you become the leader where you're supposed to be? Because last, if you look the thing well, anybody will get planned for in life, say make him reach somewhere for life, make him become somebody for this life, one way or the other, you must become leader. Somehow, you go become leader. No get how you go take lead. You know guy go say you want to pursue your purpose for life or your dream for life, where you know go see talk about leadership. You understand? So today, on top of the show, Ginger Monday things, we want to talk about leadership. And today, as usual, we get our sabi bros in the building. You know, some of us know them as the bunch in the building. But ladies and gentlemen, now very big bros around this our area. Oh, no, I'll show your face already. Mr. Dapo banjo in the building. Welcome, sir. Welcome,
yeah, thank
sir.
You, Ogolo. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Nice being on the show.
You too, sir. We appreciate saying you always stay with us for a year. And you know, say, we can share plenty brain. Last week,
person if he tell you no now. Because you know, say you casual now.
We did try.
Very casual.
We did try. And they probably mean this now. Yeah, we don't know. You know, we just try. Okay, so quickly, like you don't hear tune. I just talked just now about issue of leadership and how I take concern person in life and destiny and in pursuing in dreams and everything. So leadership now, which role? Make I start like that before we go to talk about what leadership really. Which role leadership got to play for person life? You know, when you don't say you want to pursue your dream for life, you want to become that thing where you say you want to be, or that dream where you don't always get for your head, or those goals where you don't put for ground. Which role leadership gets to play inside the whole level?
Now, thank you, Ogwelo. Now, anytime when you want to talk about leadership, you have to, first of all, the way we are the see make I just give that example before we go on.
Okay.
Look at the word leadership. You go find out, say, two common words form them.
Okay.
Leader.
One.
And then sheep.
Two.
Now, you go see leader as somebody way there for front. So when say, na me they lead you now, na me be saying, na me go day front.
Yes.
Sometimes, na me, everybody go follow. Abi, na me they responsible. Sometimes when you want to know the person will be leader, you feel ask, say, who be the person where I feel talk to among all of you now? Okay. And then somebody go say, na that guy.
Okay.
And you go want talk to him. Then sheep too. You know sheep, they on top water.
Yes.
Now that means when they talk about all the sheep where they on top water, there is one where they lead them.
Okay.
Now leadership be that.
Okay.
That means even a leader is part of the sheep itself. Okay. For instance, the leadership now part of the fleet of sheep where they on top water.
Okay.
So, but the one where they forefront, where all the other people they follow. Now the leadership.
Okay.
So where you get plenty sheep for somewhere, on top water especially, since we they talk about sheep, the one where they lead them, where they show the direction, where they lead all the other people where they're supposed to go. Now the leadership be that.
Okay.
Now, when you want to talk the role of leadership for anything where anybody want to become for life, you will have to consider some things.
Okay.
And those things are very, very important. Okay. If you know put them and you know understand them, you know fit succeed.
Okay.
Now, make I quick list them.
Okay. Before you go list those things, because more just establish one fact. You know, say leadership, the one waiting for forefront. You understand? Then the leader himself now be the boss of the whole rest. You understand? So we don't establish that fact about who leader be and then leadership. Okay, so now we'll continue from where you stop.
Now, for leadership to be able to perform the role where you don't create time to perform. For instance, you need leadership or you need a leader only when you have a common assignment where you won't perform, or a duty or a responsibility where they don't give to you. The position of leadership now position of responsibility.
Position of responsibility.
And when I say responsibility, I mean somebody will get responsibility. You see something without anybody they tell you. You see, I'm saying this is no good. We suppose correct them. You they see people where they go this direction.
Yes.
You know, say if they go far and you know put some things for place, then go crash.
Okay.
You call them back or you stop them. Tell them say this direction, may we no go there again. May we face this one.
Okay.
Now, if you take leadership as somebody where they responsible, or a leader as somebody where they responsible, or you take leadership as responsibility. Make I come again.
Okay.
Somebody where they responsible
Yes.
can be a leader. And the position of leadership, now position of responsibility.
Okay.
And we don't break down. We said somebody will get responsibility. Now, number one thing where somebody with the leadership position suppose understand, we say, it's supposed to be somebody where they committed.
Okay. First things first.
Anybody where no they committed to anything can never become a leader. And the person will never go far. So if you want become something for life, you must understand that commitment na something where you must do. For instance,
Yes.
somebody who wants succeed, we want sing. And you know they committed to studio session. You know they committed to the right songs. You know they committed to the exercise in voice. So they do voice exercise. So they project, say, oh, I won't go like this. I want to do them like this so that it go unique for you, for your song. And it goes sweet for people where they listen to them. You know fit go far. Because commitment will make you to bring the best out of whatever you are doing. Anything you are committed to, there's every possibility, say you go succeed for that thing.
If you put commitment,
enter them. Another thing, say, you must be somebody who get the ability to delegate.
Okay.
Because now you dey from that means say you get people with they around you. We suppose the delegation.
Delegation now. Be like who they share work.
Exactly. Somebody where they fit apportion
different
work to different people. But not just anyhow because you want the job done.
Okay.
You go delegate them according to the ability we then get.
So based on whoever way they carry the work they give, now say okay, this particular person. Now this kind of work now you go fit do based on say.
So if you get a project for instance and you discover say somebody fit talk like Ogbolo, give that person the position of PRO. Okay. No make am go right.
Okay.
You know say anything where you want do, you just want talk about them. You tell am say go do me, he say I just say make I tell you before I go right am. Okay. He say make you just go right am. Yes. Go know say that person he gets strength for he gets skill for talking. No wasting talent. Okay. Give am assignment wey go dey make am talk all the time. You fit make am be the person wey go dey present the report for the team. Okay. Okay. Another person fit prepare am, but the person will go present am to management where they go hear am say this is what we don't do, this is how we do am, this is how much it costs for me to do am. Give that person that. If you see somebody will like to they send mail, make that person secretary. No wasting talent. Just give am assignment because he like to the right. So give them. So identify the people, the kind gift where they your team. Okay. Somebody where fit talk, give them PRO. Somebody where fit write, give them secretary. Somebody where they like to they arrange something. You just want everything make it make the person maybe like an admin person. Okay. So that everything go day set up. Yes. So when you delegate as a leader, you must first of all identify the talents and the gift where they your team. Where they around you. Okay. So if you work for somewhere and you be the number one person, you be leader, and you want to achieve something for life, you have a purpose, you have a place where you want to take the team go, and you feel just be leader for one department for a big organization, and the management they expect say you go fit do some certain things. So you suppose know what thing we want to do. How many people deal with me? Waiting, I know each one of them sabi do well. I go delegate them. Me, I go come day for up. they supervise everything wey dem dey do.
Okay.
Anything where I see say they no do well, I go bring my leadership skill. Because when you no fit delegate, you go die as a leader. Because that you say you go want do everything by yourself.
And you just kill yourself.
And you go just kill yourself. So a good leader must be able to develop a good delegation skill. So you're supposed to be able to identify who fit do am.
Who fit do it and which kind of work you fit give that person to do.
And you see, one major problem with delegation get because we say a lot of leaders, they know they confident. We go bring me to the next 4C, letter C, where I go use describe wetin leaders suppose they do. So I don't talk about delegation.
Yes.
Leaders know they delegate, they won't do everything where they won't do because then they afraid. Say if you give people some things to do, if they go do them better than the way where you feel do them, you go they afraid say that you take your job. So a bad leader is not a confident leader.
Okay. A bad leader,
not be confident
leader. Now be say, as a leader where you be, to be good leader, you must be confident.
So you must be confident to the extent that you want to reproduce people way better than you.
Exactly.
Way better than you.
This one where you talk now, you carry my mind go like AY. For example, we bring up other comedians under him. And today now, one way or the other, now
some of them say
some bad pass even the AY. And now, you know how you take mention their name, we no go mention AY name. So that one don't show the kind leader we be.
Where he be. He's not afraid of failing. He's not afraid that somebody under him feed they better pass him. You bring out the best out of that person. It's not about the person taking your job. It's about you eventually taking the glory for the entire team because now you be the leader. So you must be confident.
Bam, confidence. Bam.
Another, I don't talk about 1C. Will be commitment. Another C now, confidence. Now, another C will be very major one. Now, make I describe them. Any leader will no get the ability, you know, he committed, he confident, he must also be very, very concerned. Any leader we no they concerned about the growth of people where they around them, na bad leader. The problem where they get for our country today be say, you will see people from outside Nigeria, they tell us say the problem with Nigeria get na bad leadership. The problem with Nigeria get na bad leadership. Now he be say all our leaders who they don't produce.
What do you mean they are prototype?
Who they don't produce because they know they concerned about people. Make them grow, make them increase their skill, make them develop other ability where they no get. So a good leader will be concerned about the developmental, you know, the developmental concern of the people where they work with them. So if you be good leader, you go they concern, you go they show concern. You go call your person. You say, all the time, you know they do waiting and they tell you make it they do on time. Your report they come late. Why? You can't find out, say by the time you ask, the person will tell you, say, Oga, I know to understand how they use Excel. I just they learn now. You go come show concern, say, I go send you to 3 days training. Make you go learn how then they use Excel very well. So you must show concern. And another thing where a good leader supposed to be say, if you show concern, you go find out, say, if anybody where you commit work, where you don't delegate work, no, they do and where. Ask the person, where did they happen? You find out, say, that person get family problem.
Issue where they worry.
Where they worry them, where they disturb and distract them from the assignment where they give them from office. But if you don't care, you go just say, I will give you query. You go just send query. You don't do them. By the time you can't find out, you go find out, say, that boy or that man, mama, don't sick, and the man, they worry. If they spend money, still the woman there for hospital, you never get well. And he not tell you because you no ask. Because you know, say if he tell yourself, you don't go show any concern. You go just say, now your problem is that. Now this work where I give you, make you do.
So now bad leadership.
Now bad moral killer. You go kill the morale of that person.
So now don't talk commitment. We don't talk
delegation.
We don't talk of say commitment. Easy remind me. They look me.
Concern.
Now, by the time we come back now, we'll talk about the remaining one. Because we no too stretch talk, you understand? So that by the time we come back, we'll talk about the remaining one, and then we'll come finalize talk on the whole thing. Because they're very, very important. Most of us never really realize the importance of this leadership thing. Most people, if you decide to remain for followership, where we say you're day under every time, you not go make progress for life.
A leader was one time a follower.
Down on that side though of the whole thing.
It was one time a follower.
Okay, more quickly go for this break. By the time we come back, we'll continue on top of the whole P, on top of the leadership gist. We'll carry people for granted, so all right?